Yes, everyone, I was watching a video with J Progress a while ago. And when I heard J Progress was saying, this Jamaican lady, she have helped so much Jamaicans in America. And now she's living in a tent. I know this American content creator. She's living in a tent into the woods. So when we come out and we talk certain things on the internet, it's true, guys. It's literally true because last year I was watching a video on the YouTube street and I saw this lady trapped in her tent in the woods. And it was snowing. Someone have to come and dig her out. So sometimes, guys, that's why sometimes I love make them video, to wake up people and say, yes, these Western world countries, it's not easy. You have to come and work for what you want. Some of you no want to come here, no want wear very little away to want to name and no want to wear all these brands. Because even the other day, I was watching a video on the YouTube streets and this Jamaican woman, yes man, she work into a dental office. She's a nurse, 132. And she said she don't want nobody see her face because she was shoplifting. And she had been doing it for months or probably for years. Said, I don't know when you come to these Western world countries. You have to stay in your lane, guys. Do not just live within your means. Because I have been living in Canada 9 years, guys. And it's no better roads in this country. Sometimes when you come to these Western world country, sometimes you're facing it into your marriage. Sometimes your kids them are give you health. Sometimes you're facing all kind of obstacles. But you still have to have that mental health up yourself. Your mental health have to up here. Because I have been through it. Because certain things I don't want to talk about myself on social media, not because I am a reactor and I do regular videos. Yes, guys, I have been through it. I have been through so much things. If it wasn't for the grace of God. So when we come here, sometime we want Jamaica and them set us up for to get back deported. Go back home because I have heard about it so much. So when we hear J Progress, I tell the lady story how she helped so much people, Jamaicans, and when she find her back against the wall, no one to help her. Even that content creator that live in America, and she living in a tent in the wood. She said everybody turned their backs on her. Is somebody that she knows, like build a cabin in the woods, and that's how come she make her tent there. She said she was even going to university or college and she have to drop out. And she find herself living on the road, living in the streets. She not have no family member to reach out to. So sometimes when any race will come here, guys, you have to plan. Don't just come and say, yes, I have this friend. I can do like my friend. If my friend bought an expensive car, I can go and do it. Because I have noticed so much newcomers in Canada. When they come, they don't settle down like 1, 2, 1, 3 years. As they come, they go and take out a new brand car. Yes, they start doing all manner of things. And they ending up, they put themselves in debts. Sometimes I have saw so much when I saw those wreckers come and just take up people cars in Canada because they cannot pay the loan anymore. They can't pay the loan. So when we as immigrants, when you come, just settle down, save your money, buy a used car. Do not say, yes, I'm going to go and take out a brand new car because I want my style to show. I want to post everything on the internet. Look at that body. She was on Instagram disrespecting people, And guess what? They don't catch up on camera steal, a shoplifting, a thief in all those very little and all kind of Balenciaga clothes. Stealing all those manner of stuff. And she's a young girl. But when they come, they want in all these name brand. Guys, it's not everything that you see in the movies, You see, when you come to these Western world country, it's a different ball player. You have to work for what you want. Remember me always telling us say every day me have to day I work. From Sunday to Sunday me have to day with my husband, whether me like it is or no. Sometimes I wake up all after 6 in the morning. Sometimes I go to my bed all after 11 in the night. Putting in the works just to make two ends meet in Canada. Canada is now better, Rose. Everything is going up. Mortgage, property tax, everything is going up in Canada. So when you guys come from Jamaica, you have to stay in your lane, live within your means. If say you're doing 2 jobs, just take your time and climb up the ladder. Don't go and follow nobody. Because sometimes a lot of people may say come in and do shoplifting and their paperwork, they are not straight. Guess what? They get deported, go back to Jamaica. All over the world, not only Jamaica. They get deported because sometimes when they come, they run off, come and like visiting and they run off. And enough of them go shoplifting because they are hungry. And when those cops catch you guys, guess what? Deportation. So when we come to these Western world countries, guys, you have to humble yourself and build yourself. And say, yes, if I cannot buy a house in Canada, yes, I can build something in Jamaica. But you have to stay in your lane. You can't come and say, this is my friend. I can do whatever I want because I'm sparring with this person. Yes, I'm linking up with this person. I can do whatever I want. You said you can do whatever you want. You know the amount of people, young people that leave their country. Yeah, man. Leave their country and come to Canada. And they get addicted taking drugs. Mash up themselves, destroy their future. Starting even college and university. I have seen it so much in Canada. So when you come to these Western world countries, guys, you have to stay in your lane. It's not every friend that you think is your friend. Because you have a lot of friends. Yes, man. They will do you things and you think that they got you back. You're back. Because look at the Nolan Wells case. He went out with his white buddies and he's the only one never come back. Young educated guy was going to play for the NFL. So we have to be careful when we come to these Western world countries. People will laugh in your face. Because people in these Western world countries, they skin their teeth like dogs. But they're not with you. So when you left Jamaica, Nigeria, Trinidad, when you come here, you have to have your head screwed on. Because it's not everyone is your friend. No. So just like I hear that young lady speaking, I think she's in her 30s. I saw a lot of people leave their countries and come here. Kids, 8, 10, and they just messed up themselves. And sometimes when you messed up yourself, guys, sometimes you don't have nobody in your corner, and you know, no family and no friend. And sometimes you find yourself in a shelter. Sometimes you find yourself in the tents, in the woods. So it's not easy. That's why I decided, said, yes, I want to share this story because J Progress just gave me a video just like that. And I decided, I said, yes, I have to come and give my 2 cents. Say, all these Jamaican buddies. And said, yes, me a hot gal. And me come to Canada, me come to America. I don't come in a better rough one. Go and buy clothes and sales. Don't go into those stores and shoplifting. It's not good for you guys. It's not good. And when you guys do shoplifting and stuff, guess what? People in the stores are taking out their phones and making contents just to make that bag. So you guys have to be careful. Don't come to these restaurant country and doing shoplifting. Yes, don't do it. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening and giving my 2 cents. So anyway, have a wonderful day. Bye.